us on a beautiful day out at historical urban park Yıldız Korusu, back from Ottoman times in Istanbul. We taste köfte and pide and relax in the charming park cafes. After visiting famous Ortaköy, where it's full of kumpir shops, we take a scenic ferry ride back home. And it's time to take my parents to the airport. We make a challenge and try to catch them with the new airport metro line while they take private bus rides. A memorable journey ends as we bid farewell at the airport.
Test söyle bak sen. Olur musun? Çok güzel. Merhaba. Geriye bak. Yanıyor.
The mosque is from 1850. Niş ya. The mosque is a part of the complex built by Sultan Abdülmecit, which also included Sıbyan Mektebi Elementary School, Medrese Theological School and Kervansaray. It's a beautiful mosque to visit, to spend time a little bit before you enter to the park. Next we entered to the historical urban park Yıldız Korusu. Yıldız Park was once part of the imperial garden of Yıldız Palace. The area of Yıldız used to be a forest in Byzantine times. Starting during the reign of Süleyman the Magnificent, the sultans made it their hunting grounds. There are two beautiful Ottoman-era pavilions, Çadır and Malta Köşk, serving as a cafe restaurants where people have breakfast or lunch or drink a cup of tea or coffee. Since I didn't want to tire my mom out too much, we went to the nearest modern cafe serving Turkish-style fast foods like köfte and pide. My daughter Zeynep ordered köfte, and with my mom we had pide and ayran. And we finished with some muhallebis, pudding-like dessert. We paid around $10 for everything. The food was okay compared to the price, but it could have been a little bit better. After the Yıldız Park we head to Ortaköy, which was one stop away, to spend some time, visit, and then return back with a ferry. We came to Ortaköy.
Yanındaki küçük tekneler, gemiye kılavuzu diyor.
Hele sen de hoş geldin buraya. İsim ne isim?
Ayşenur.
Arşıma aldım Ayşenur. Güzeller atmıştır bari. Geldi Ortaköy'e akşam üzeri. Ali güzeldir Ayşenur. Ali güzeldir Ayşenur. Hoş geldin sen buraya. oradan geçer Arap kızları, onlar da dinlemeden gider bizleri.
Aynen.
Sefer geldin Ayşe.
Ailenin öyle kardeşim.
Evet.
Yer değil, bebek.
Let's watch an ice cream show before moving on to the most famous Turkish street food you can eat in Ortaköy. It has become quite famous and I agree that it is a good show, but I think it is unhygienic. I wouldn't want to be the one to buy and eat those unused cones later. Would you? Okay, here comes one of the most well-known Turkish street foods called kumpir. It's a baked potato cut open and covered with delicious toppings. After the hot potato is mixed with butter and cheese, it is ready to add toppings of your choice like sweet corn, peas, olives and pickles to kısır, bulgur salad and more. Don't be surprised if they try to persuade you to buy from them with various tricks in these street shops lined up one after another in Ortaköy Square. Since we were full, we didn't think to buy, but I promise I'm gonna make it soon for you to try at home.
Çıktık gittik Nizamiye'den çıkarken askerler...
We came across my father in the park while he was waiting for prayer time. Tells his memories of military service here. They are returning back home to Kastamonu by air today. We will send them off with my daughter. Hadi görüşürüz. We didn't have much time, so we had a quick lunch by ordering some lahmacun. My mom wanted purslane salad and also made ayran, yogurt drink mixed with mineral water. We were going to leave them on the private bus to the airport and return, but upon Zeynep's insistence, we decided to go to the airport by metro for the first time and try to catch up with them. My mom and dad will go by Hava East bus from Aksaray, and we're gonna try to go with a metro. Let's see who's gonna go first. If we can catch it, we'll see. First we took the M1 train and then M2, and we will get off at Gayrettepe and take M11 to the Istanbul airport. This line is new, looks nice. It took a bit time to transfer, but nice. Keşke karşılama olsaydı.